Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Then again 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. So now minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to 1. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay? PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, here is one subtraction, here is one multiplication, and here also one subtraction. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So is equal to 8 minus, now 9 multiply 8 is equal to 72 minus 9. Okay. So now here is one subtraction and here is one subtraction. So both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So now 8 minus 72 is equal to minus 64 minus 9. Now minus 64 minus 9 is equal to minus 73. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 73. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.